Hello, guys. Today I have a good thing for you. I have this. Ugh. Da-na-na-na. In what year was this made? I don't know, but it's my dad's. Ooh, what am I going to do with it? Well, here's what I'm going to do. I want to make gameplay of it. Okay? I need this. No. Okay, I think this will work. So, I'll pause for now and get this set up. Okay. Okay, so today we'll be playing. If you can't see, let me move some space. Then I'll show you. Okay, today we'll be playing this. First thing first, I do not know when to start. I also have one controller, so let's just get this started. Okay. World 1. So, haven't known what Super Mario is. It's a it's a classic fun game in like first and here there's instead of a princess there's like there's like something different. Like if you want to see more, just subscribe and hit that bell. Okay. So this is a raccoon. So there's power up. So if your P bar is full, you can go flying up into the air. So see this? If I hit it, it gives me 1 up, so I get extra life. Probably not know that. So let's get. Are you kidding me? Okay. Good thing I had a mushroom. Now let's go. Yay! Star. I might. I might. I'm not. I don't know when it might have to stop. So if it stops, I'll make a part 2. Give me that mushroom. Boy, that was a good shot. So shout out to Nintendo for doing it. Shout out for Nintendo because plus my dad because he had this. He got it for Christmas. Also, this is sponsored by Honey because Honey is a free virtual app that you can get cool discounts. This is the power for that. So see, this gives me a star. Ooh, yes! Yes! I'll check on the video. Been 4 minutes. Okay. What is this? Well, it's a mashing game. Let's see if I get lucky. No! Come on! Comment that below if you like this background music. This is sponsored by Nintendo. No. You must die. Boing, 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 boing. Bye. Then, no. Boing. So, put 100 coins and you get alive. That's stupid right here. Okay, this is fun. Its name is John Cena. I'm wearing Mario coins. And his name is John Cena. That is shopping Goombas. Just then you can't jump because there's so many on you for some reason. Yay! 1 up, 6 hearts. We'll see about this video. It's like okay, we have time. Let's go. Pick a box. Its contents will help you on your way. You can buy this is on the SNES Classic Edition. You can get this like on Amazon, eBay, and on GameStop. I'll make feature videos sometime. Like for a series. I might make a series. But there's no saves. That's what the problem is. Or if you're okay with that, and you like to see me die a lot, you're here. What am I be asking here? Always stay as a tiny person. People get so worried about this part, but you're supposed to stand like this. Go, 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 go. Ah! You. Oh, that's scary. Let's go. Be careful because this boss hard. There we go. Good thing there's lives. Plus, I got a mushroom. But I'll make a second video after this video, and it's a review. I'll edit it, but I'll edit it just to see, like, sorry if I got here, but just to see, like, if there's like, if like when I'm done, like you'll see like if you just go to channels like recent videos I've done. How? What's the world for? It's hard because these fall down. They fall down. If we have time, we can play another one. Yeah, we have time. Okay, let's get rolling. Let me pause it. Okay. That guys, so we're not playing Super Mario 1. Yeah. Once I get an SNES, what's that? It's a Super SNES. It's Super Nintendo. Like, you cannot go back. Like, you have to stay in place. Watch this. Might get coins when you can just get one up. Dang it. It's like, you have to get the mushroom first before you can use fire power. Watch this. Can you get a... Nope. what's this? What's this? Who can beat the level with Mario using the fire flower? If the video ends, it's not me, it's just been like 10 minutes. We got 5 more minutes. Guys, it was a pleasure. It was a pleasure to have fun with you. Guys, it was a pleasure to have fun with you today. If you liked it, please subscribe to me. I never have a subscriber. Anyways, if you're my first subscriber, I'll give you a shout out to you. Okay? Well, bye.